to meet 5 amazing words and remember them for a lifetime? Well, you have reached the best destination on the internet to do that. Today, I'll be discussing 5 words, but let me tell you, word number 1 and word number 2 are my favorites for the day. Well, this is Amit Kumar Mehta, and I have been teaching students master those difficult vocabulary words in an amazingly easy way so that they can sound sophisticated in front of their friends, relatives, colleagues, workers, employees, and they can score more in competitions which require English as a major component. Let us quickly move on to the words for the day. I told you word number 1 is my favorite. The word is serendipity. Serendipity basically means good luck, fortune, coincidence. Hindi would be akasmik labh hona, खुश नसीब होना. Antonym is ill-fated or bad luck. Pronunciation serendipity. So what is the brain-friendly way of remembering this particular word? Imagine the girl is writing an examination and sir had pity on her. If the sir had not had pity on her, she had been caught cheating and she would have been thrown out of the exam. She would have flunked the exam. She would have failed the exam. The sir had pity on her, and that was good luck for her. She passed the exam. So that is how you remember this particular word. Moving on to the usages. Pure stroke of serendipity, sheer serendipity. Sentence 1. Serendipity has had a say in Dr. Seema Rao's choice of a career taking up the unusual vocation of training commandos. Training commandos was serendipity for her, good luck for her. It was coincidence. She did not plan that particular part. Sentence 2. The couple likes to travel with no fixed plan, letting serendipity guide them. No fixed plan, letting serendipity, good luck or coincidence guide them. They travel as fast as their visas allow. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. We will move on to the next word for the day, which I told you is again my favorite. The next word is serfdom. Serfdom is basically bondage, enslavement, constraint. Hindi would be dasi, das, dasta ya gulam, gulami karna. Antonym is freedom. Pronunciation is serfdom, serfdom. Now what is the brain-friendly way of remembering this particular word? Look at the left-hand side. It contains two different words. Sirf domination is how you remember this particular word. Two underlined words, sirf domination. Imagine somebody who is just trying to dominate you always. So with that particular person, you will be living in a life of bondage, a life of enslavement. Okay, you will be constrained for your life. So what are the various usages? Economic serfdom, you are economically bonded. A century of serfdom, a century of enslavement. The Britishers ruled us for 200 years. It was a period of serfdom. Sentence 1. Freedom fighters freed India from the shackles of serfdom of 200 years long oppressive British rule in 1947. 200 years of serfdom. Sentence 2. The party leaders claim that their rule ended serfdom and brought economic development to a backward region. That is the word serfdom for you. Now, there are all the 1200 words available in the link that we have provided in the YouTube video description. Just go to the video description and you will find all the words that we have discussed through this particular method of mnemonics, underlining and visuals in a singular place. Moving on to the third word for the day. Third word is severance. Severance is basically separation, parting, split, disunion or dissociation. Hindi would be viyog, batwara. Antonym is reunion, consolidation. Pronunciation is severance. Now, what is the brain-friendly way, easy way of remembering this particular word? What is the mnemonic for this particular word so that you can remember it for a lifetime? Imagine when the relations go severe. There is a severe fight between couples. There is a severe fight between the employer and the employee. In that case, what will happen? Both will sever the ties with each other. Both will kill their ties. Both will get separated. Both will disunion. Both will dissociate with each other. So that is severance for you. What are the various usages? Severance package, severance agreement. Sentence 1. CTS has rolled out a voluntary severance scheme for D plus category employees, giving them an option to exit the organization on a cordial note. Severance scheme, basically leaving scheme. You can leave the office by taking a voluntary VRS kind of a scheme is a severance scheme. Sentence 2. Bansal, who quit Infosys in October 2015, was awarded more than rupees 17 crore in severance because he left the organization, because he dissociated, because he separated. He was given a severance. The relations had gone very bad probably, and that is why he had to leave. When he was leaving, he was given a severance, that is a separation bonus. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the next word for the day. The next word for the day is shackles. Shackles basically mean in chains, handcuffs, bonds or restraints. Hindi would be hatkadi, shackles. Antonym is free. Pronunciation shackles. Now, what is the brain friendly way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word on the left hand side. It sounds like Shakal of the Hindi Bollywood movies series. Now, if you look at the word Shakal, imagine Shakal being handcuffed. Imagine Shakal in bonds, in handcuffs, in chains. So that is shackles for you. He cannot go anywhere. He cannot do anything. There is a restraint that is put on his life. He is put behind the bars. He cannot move. He cannot call. So that is shackles. That is in chains. So what are the various usages? Free of shackles. Shackles of the rules and limits. Sentence 1. The opener broke the shackles in the over by hitting 3 back-to-back boundaries. He broke the shackles. There were no runs in the first 3 balls, and for the next 3 balls he hit 3 back-to-back boundaries. He broke the shackles. He broke the handcuffs. He broke the chains. Sentence 2. Dada Saheb Phalke broke the shackles of Indian society that restricted women from performing on stage and screen. Dada Saheb Phalke let women enter the screens. He broke the shackles for women who were considered only for household activities. Now he included them in the movies also. Dada Saheb Phalke. He broke the shackles for the women. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing the video. We are moving for the next word for the day, which is shredded. Shredded basically means fragmented, lacerated, crumbling, tearing up, mutilating, stripping something. Hindi would be dhajji dhajji kar dena, tukde tukde kar dena is a shredded. Antonym is aggregate or bundle. Pronunciation is shredded. Shredded. Now, usage is shredded to bits. But before the usages, let us just discuss what is the wordaholics way, what is the brain friendly way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time. Look at the word on the left hand side is shredded. So when you're sharing something and it turns into red, you're cutting it into pieces and it turns into red. There is all blood that is flowing that you have cut, that is means lacerating. You have mutilated it, you have stripped it, you have cut into various pieces, and that is not in a good way it has been cut. It is turned into red. So this is how you remember this particular word. When you're shredding something, you're cutting, shattering and lacerating something, tearing it off. What are the various usages? Shredded to bits. Indian team's confidence got shredded. It declined. Indian team's confidence got declined, torn up, mutilated, stripped. Sentence 1. Companies are shrinking budgets, driven technology shifts and economic shocks. News ads have been shredded by 3x times. News ads are no more running. Even during the corona times, news ads have been shredded. They have been declining. They have been fragmented. They have been cut by 3x times. 3 times they have been cut. Sentence 2. At Indore, all the plastic gets collected and is shredded into fine pieces. The plastic that gets collected is shredded. It's cut into small pieces. The city recycles 50% of its plastic waste daily, and 30% is used for the roads. The plastic is cut into small pieces and then roads are made of that particular plastic. With that particular word, we have reached the end of the presentation for today. I hope you have liked the presentation for the today and for the day. And as I keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. If you have not liked our page, if you have not commented with your suggestions, feedback, or any kind of queries or any kind of comments, please do comment to us. Please do write all those words which are difficult for you, which you find difficult. We'll try to discuss them in an easy way, in a brain friendly way, so that you can remember it for a lifetime. Also, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel, because it helps us, motivates us and keeps us going. Also, there are 250 to 300 words now available in the playlist section of our YouTube channel. Just go to the playlist on vocabulary building and build your vocabulary. Keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much.